So, Mumbai Marathon is coming up and you obviously want to do your best on that day. Remember, what you do the day before and the week before TMM will make a big difference to how you perform on race day. If you've missed the video that I posted recently, it was about a week before TMM. I will put the link before. Do go through that because that will help you a lot. But today's video is all about what you should be doing the day before TMM. Remember, if you go into the race anxious and not well prepared, it's really going to take a toll on race day, even though you've prepared really well. So let's look at all the pointers that you should be doing in order to run TMM at your best. In fact, the whole playlist that I've made for you this year, I do this every single year before TMM. I've been doing it for years. But I have talked to you about cramps, what the weak links are, which are the muscles that should be engaged, how to foam roll correctly, how to stretch properly. So if you've missed any of that, I'll put the link to the playlist below. Also do check that out. And of course, if you have any last minute niggles, don't be scared, don't hesitate, just put a message to me. I'll put the number on the screen so you can get in touch with my team and we'll take care of that for you. Hi, I'm Dr. Rajni Patil. I'm a spine and sports physiotherapist practicing for over 24 years here in Shivaji Park, Mumbai. I run a clinic called Ortho Sports Physiotherapy and we are passionate about helping runners like you stay pain-free and run at your best. Tip number 1. Plan the day before TMM to be a relaxed day. I hope you don't have any travels going on. Your work day should not be hectic. Don't pack in things on the day before TMM. Let the day be a little bit relaxed for you. Whatever you need to do it in the first half of the day. Try to keep the second half of the day a little bit free for you so you can get in a chill mode and relax and take your time so that your body and your mind both ease and prepare into running tomorrow the TMM. Tip number 2. What is the movement that your body needs the day before Mumbai Marathon? You don't need to be doing a lot of aggressive stretching and rolling. You don't want to do any new stretches, just looking at things that other people have done. Don't go for any long runs, packing in some mileage the day before. This is really going to hurt you. The day before should be about relaxing the body, about recovery and stretching. It should not be about doing things that are going to make you sore. So what can you do? I want you to definitely do easy foam rolling and stretching exercises, preferably with a belt. Do some mobility drills that you are used to. No new stretches or exercises, of course. And if you can, go for an easy walk, an easy short run, whatever your body is able to handle and makes you feel prepared for the run. Tip number 3 is about hydration and nutrition. Through the training, whatever you have used as your carb, that's what you will have the day before, the dinner before your marathon. Even for lunch and dinner, I want you to have very light meals, just something that your body can handle. No salads, no spicy food, definitely not eating outside, and don't eat too late. Remember, you're going to sleep early also today, so make sure you have enough time between your sleep and your dinner time, so that your day is a little bit shorter, because next day you are going to get up early and I want enough of a time there so you can metabolize all of that really well. Tip number 4. If during this time you have an injury, some niggle, some pain that you're seeing your sports physio for, or you're treating on your own, there are some things that you can do today, the day before TMM. 1, you can meet your sports physio and get some kind of taping done. Because your sports physio knows your body, knows your injury, they'll be the best person to handle that. Every year we do something called tape party the day before TMM. Our patients come in, we tape them based on what their injury was, and this makes them feel secure, not only physically but also mentally. So we can do the same for you if you would like to come in. The number is on the screen, get in touch. One other thing that you can do if you have pains and niggles, do ice packs maybe 2 or 3 times today on your problem areas. 10 minutes 3 times a day is generally enough. You can do some gentle foam rolling above and below the joint that hurts. and of course gentle stretching. If you missed the video where I will show you exactly how to foam roll and exactly how to do trigger point release and stretches, do check it out. I'll put the link below. Tip number 5, you want to keep your mental prep ready. Remember, the day before TMM, you need to be calm, you need to be really well prepared. So if everything is certain, nothing will go wrong on TMM day. So keep all your stuff ready, the shoes, the apparel, your bag, your water, your electrolytes. Keep everything ready that you are going to use on TMM day. Plus, don't talk to too many people who are going to put doubts in your head. Remember, the more runners that you talk to, their experiences and their doubts, you will somewhere take that in, and that's going to play on your mind the day of TMM. So remember, you've trained really well. You have nothing to worry about. Just keep yourself calm and don't let raised anxiety get in the way. So all the very best for TMM. I'm sure you will do fabulous. You have nothing to worry about. You've done all the work and your body has the muscle memory to carry you to the finish line absolutely injury free and confident. But if you have any doubts, feel free to get in touch with me. My number is on the screen, and for any last minute help, I'm always there for you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, because every week I do put out a video that will be super helpful to runners like you. And do share this with all your buddies who are running TMM, because sometimes just one little thing makes a big difference.